Alrighty, Dennis, here's one of your 363s. Use description combination. Got a set of our heads on. Got the GT40 front end. Stack setup made for GT40. Everything's up front. Got the PM valve covers. Custom ground hydraulic roller. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie, 3,600, 415 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 466, peak horsepower 520, rate of 530, front end is about 20, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple other things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll find a single looks like credit card, USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, things of that nature, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend plug in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number on it with some other specs. That engine number, if you need anything from us, easiest way to look you up, flip it over, QR code on the back. There again, that's full of technical information. So highly recommend watch all this stuff. It'll definitely help your installation. Have a great day.